Assalamualaikum. Hello guys. So today I'm going to share ICT paper 2 February March 2019 variance 1. Okay, 2 hours 30 minutes. We go to task 1. Okay, assume that you work for Tawara International Summer School and are going to carry out some tasks for them as they prepare the delegate list for a summer school in Jordan. So for task 1, evidence document, you need to open the file m219evidence.rtf. So you open the source file, paper 2, m219evidence.rtf. Make sure the file format is RTF. And you open this file. Okay, this is our evidence document. And then make sure your name, center number, and candidate number will appear on every page of your evidence document. Name, center number, and candidate number. So usually we will put the header. So you double click here, or you can go to insert. Insert or header and footer, or you just double click here. And then for header, I choose 3 columns. So we put name here, center number, right? Center number and candidate number. So I just put my center number 0505, candidate number 1234. And save this as a word process document in your Word area with the file name and 219 evidence followed by your candidate number, for example M219 evidence 9999. So which one your candidate number? For me is 1234. So I will save this file as I just save here M219 evidence and followed by my candidate number 1234. And then make sure you change the file type as Word document and then save. Okay. Done that one. You will need to place screenshot and your answer in this evidence document. So don't forget to place your evidence as requested here. You need to see where you should place your evidence. If inside evidence 1, below evidence 1, you place under evidence 1. Okay, and then task 2, you are going to edit a document and apply the paragraph style as defined in the corporate house style. You may need to edit some of the styles used in the document to meet this requirement. You highlight this one. Open the file m219 archaeology.rtf in a suitable word processing package. So we try to search this file first. Go to folder m219 archaeology. Okay, this one. Open this file. Okay, it will look like this. And then save the document in your work area in a format of the software you are using with the file name A190xinfo. You copy this one, Control C, and then software you are using with the software you are using. So now we are using um, Microsoft Word process document. So we save as, change the name to, paste here, and then the file format change to Word document. Don't forget to change here, and then save. Done this part. You highlight. Evidence 1. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show the file has been saved. Make sure this is evidence of the file type. So just now we saved that file here. As you can see, a190xinfo.document. From archaeology become this one. So we need to screenshot, or you may use snipping tool. I prefer using snipping tool, so I will crop the parts that I want to use only. Crop this one. Copy. And make sure you save under evidence 1. Go back to our evidence document. Paste here. Okay. Next, change the document setting to be A4 with a landscape orientation. Here should be A4, paper, and then landscape orientation. Go back to our document. Page layout, size, A4, and orientation, landscape. Then set all margins to 2 centimeters. Where to set the margins? You go to margins, custom margin. Here 3 margin. So change to 2 for top, left, bottom, and right. And then yeah, we need to screenshot if I'm not mistaken. For evidence tool, place in your evidence document screenshots to show setting for the paper size and page orientation, and for margin also. So we need to screenshot this one. I choose snipping tool again. You only want this one that shows we set the margins 2 cm. Copy. Not this one here. Yeah, okay, first. Paste it here. Okay, make it a bit smaller. And one more. Which size, right? Paper size, A4. And then here already show for orientation just now. So we just screenshot this one to show the paper size. Copy, then paste it here. But don't forget to click OK first. As long as you still can see it. Okay. Next, place in the header of the document an automated date field to display today's date left aligned. Header, make sure inside header of the document an automated date field to display today's date. Okay, go here. In the header, you double click here, go to header. I choose 3 column again, so left align, I choose quick part, field, date, which one date? Date here, click this one. And then this one, date format, is it, the question didn't mention anything, which format we need to follow. So, yeah, we can choose this one, just click OK. Next, your name, center number, and candidate number, right align. Here, your name, center number 0505, and my candidate number 1234. Then place in the footer, so no more for, okay, done this one. Place in the footer, automated page number, left align, page number. Oh, not this one. So done for header, we can delete this one. We go to footer, insert footer. Yeah, I choose 3 column again. We want to put page number here. Go to here. Edit page here. Page. Choose page. I want to use this format. Okay. Then file name with its full path align. Alright. Left align. So we put file name on the right side. Quick part field. Just file name, and then question asks you to add path, so don't forget to tick this file path, add path to file name. Okay, so we can delete this one. Next, make sure that all items align to the page margin. No other text or placeholder appear in the header and footer areas. Headers and footer are displayed all page. Okay, so as we can see, it's follow the margin under alignment, and then our header and footer display every single page, number, file name, yeah, okay, everything right. Next, the house style specification for paragraph are this table for house style specification. These styles have already been applied to the document. Okay, some question you need to set the house style, but this question mentioned that have already applied to the document, so it's okay. Okay, now let's see number 5. Check that the styles applied to the document are correct as specified and match then the house style, match to the house style specifications. Identify and correct only the setting of the styles that are incorrect. So we need to check all these house style given, either correct or not. We go to our document, we check for ARC title first. Where are my documents? Okay. ARC title, right click and just modify. So font style, sans serif, font size 20. Sans serif, so Arial is sans serif and size 20, correct. Alignment center, enhancement, all capitals. Alignment center, all capital. We can go to format, paragraph. Not here. Font and all cap. So as you can see here, then okay, yeah, correct. Then what else? Line spacing, single, space before 0, space after 12. Format, paragraph. spacing, line spacing for before 0 after 12, and single spacing, right? Yeah, correct. Okay, everything correct, so no need to change. So the second one is the RC subtitle. Sans serif 18 right italic. Go back here. Subtitle, right click. Sans serif, yeah, Arial 18 italic. Alignment right. Yes, alignment right. What else? Single spacing 0 and 12. Single spacing. You can see for spacing here, or you can go format and paragraph. Single spacing 0 and 12. Okay, everything correct. Next, ARC subhead. Serif 16 center. Right click modify. Times New Roman, yes, serif 16. Alignment should be center, but here alignment left right. So it changed to center. Bold, underline, and single spacing. Bold, you need to choose bold, not italic, but underline, yes. Okay, no. Bold, underline, single spacing, 0 and 12. So go to format, paragraph, single spacing, 0 and 12. Okay. So we change alignment just now, right? From left to center. So you need to screenshot this one. Choose snipping tool. Crop this one as evidence that we correct this ARC subhead. Then copy, paste on your evidence document. Yeah, evidence 3, right? Make it smaller a bit. Go back to your question. Okay, now for ARC body, should be serif 14, justify first line, indent 1 cm from the left, double for spacing, and space width 0 for before and 0 for after. That is your document. Right click, modify, and then ARC body. Time, serif should be Times New Roman. So change to Time New Roman and 40. Enhancement, no bold, italic, and underline. So we untick this one. And then justify. Go to format, paragraph, alignment, justify. For indent, 1 cm for first line only. So indentation, we not going to indent for the whole paragraph, so we choose first line only and 1 centimeter. Okay. And then double line, spacing 0 and before and 0 after, 0 before and 0 after, spacing double. Then okay, you can change here. Okay, you can change here for double spacing 1.5 and single spacing. And usually we have we can choose justified here also. And then let's see paragraph. So we should screenshot this one. Copy and paste in our evidence document. Okay. ARC tables should be serif 14 left, non-single, and 0 space before and after. ARC table. Table here, right click and modify. 14 left and left, 14 serif, none for enhancement, single spacing and no space before and after, single spacing, spacing for space after 0, line spacing, okay, and then okay, no changes for that one. And change. Okay, now number 6, change the page layout so that the subheading our new international course and all the following text is displayed in 2 columns of equal width with a centimeter space between them. Okay, what should we do with this one? We go to our document and start from our new international course. Our new, here. Or you can choose word with find. If you don't know where's the location for the words that you search, you can click Ctrl F or click this find button, find tab. And then start from here. I highlight, go to page layout, columns, more columns, and I choose 2. And just now the question mentioned equal with a 1 centimeter space between them. Space between them should be 1 centimeter. Okay, this space means okay. Click OK. So now your document become a 2 column. Next, import the image and 2019 forum.jpg. And place this at the start of the paragraph below the subheading Y Rush. M219 forum Y Rush. So we can use function find to find where word Y, yeah, here. So it should place below the subheading Y Rush. Below, so here. Go to insert picture, find a folder, past year February, March 2019, paper 2. Yeah, this one. Insert this image. Okay, just leave it like that. Then remove the bottom third of the image. Bottom third means we divide into 3, and then we remove the bottom one. Go to crop around here. 3. Okay. Then resize the image so that it is 6.5 centimeters wide with the aspect ratio maintained. 6.5 wide. So you can change here. For wide should be 6.5 and then maintain aspect ratio. So just follow. The rest will follow. Okay, next. Align the image to the top of the text. The city flourish through and left margin, and make sure the text wraps around the image. Okay. Left margin. Okay, you can choose wrap text, type, move to the left and top. Yeah, like this. Next, number 12, format the first row of the table by merging the 3 columns center, aligning the text in the merged cell and shading the merged cell with the light gray background 20 to 40%. We go to table. Where is our table? Yeah, here. We need to merge this first column. Right click and merge cell and move the text to the center. Merging the three columns, center align the text in the merged cell, shading the merged cell with a light gray background 20 to 40%. So not for the words. Yeah, this one. If you hold your cursor, you will see the percent for the color. Darker 50, we want 20 to 40. Yeah, this one should be okay. Choose this one. And then apply the ARC subhead style to the top two rows of the table. Top two row, we need to apply subhead. First row and second row. Apply subhead, yeah. And then apply the ARC table style to the other rows in the table. Other rows, mean this one and until here. Apply table. And then make sure that the table fits within the column with no word split on the text wrap. Okay, so if you can see here, if your table like this, you need to make sure fit to the row and no words outside the column. There are no blank rows in the table, so we should delete this row, the last one. Right click and delete cell for entire row. All internal and external grid line are displayed when printed. So this one you can try print preview. So yeah, we can see the table grid line. And then spell check and proofread the document. You go to review, spelling and grammar checking. Tawara, no. Huge, yeah. For spelling, you need to change to huge. And then venturing. This one name. Name should be ignore. Yasin. Make sure that there are no widows or orphans. The table is not split over two columns or page. Correct house style have been applied and specified. Spacing between all items is consistent. So lastly, let me check our documents. We have widow or orphans. No. Okay. Yeah, maybe you can enter this table. Oh, you also can just leave it here. Okay, everything looks good. Then save the document using the same file name and format used in step 1. Print the document. Yeah, that's all. Go back to your document, you just print this document. Okay, we have 3 pages here. All the date and name and also your page number and file name and file path appear every single page.